I'm in the program now for 5 months and now I'm making 40K a month. If you're in the program and post every day 6 videos at least, you will make it. There is no way out. There is no way out. Don't watch YouTube videos, get a mentor and make it.
And let's get right into it. I mean, you can just start out by explaining your story, how everything went.
Began dropshipping when I was 16, so like 4 years ago. In short, I have lost in 3 years 20K.
Yeah, you lost 20K in 3 years?
Yeah, with ads, and so I tried all, but nothing works for me. And then I saw Mikey's videos, and I was literally laughing in my room because I saw he make the same mistakes I made at the beginning, and then he was making money, and I thought, what the fuck? I'm doing this for 3 years, and he's, I don't know, doing it for like half a year and making money, and I'm 20K in minus. When he was at 50K in a month, I thought, yeah, I need this program where he's in. I need this mentor. And then I joined the program, and now I'm like making 40K in a month.
Yeah, I mean, that's a big jump, obviously.
Yeah.
So wait, how long have you been in the program? How long did everything take until it started to take off?
I'm in the program now for 5 months. The first money I made 2 months ago, but it was only like 2K in a month. And then it slowly goes up and up. And now I'm here.
I see. So how much was it this month or last one?
Like 42K in the last 30 days.
Let's go through your numbers.
Yeah.
You can share your screen for a second.
Yeah.
Amazing. So how much is that in profit?
Like 22K.
22K. Okay. So this month you made all the money back, which you lost over the last 3 years, basically. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I mean, let's get into the details here. What changed and why did it start working now?
If you're in the program and just posting videos, you will make it in the 6 months for sure. Yeah. And I thought it at the beginning, and I was posting videos and videos and videos, and at some point it hits. But I think I lost a lot of money because I have a YouTube account, and I never watched it again because Jacob told me, yo, it's the product is out. It's not selling anymore. Then I watched, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago at the YouTube account, and I have 50K followers. And I was going viral as fuck on the account. Yeah. And I never made a store.
Damn. So like it would probably be way more than that.
Yeah.
So how many views did you get on the top video there?
Like 40 million.
All right. Well, do you make a store now? Is it still going viral?
Yeah, I made a store, but it don't get any more views, and I made like $200 with it, but nothing big.
I see. All right. I mean, let's focus on the positives here. Then you still have this one product which did work. So, like, how long did it actually take for you to make this one product work? How many views did you get on the videos, etc.?
I don't get much views on the videos. It's just the perfect product, I think. It's selling really crazy. I get like 10K views or something, sometimes more, sometimes less. And I make this product now for like 3 months.
So you focus a lot on this one product and basically made it work over there.
Yeah, I do a lot of product research. At the moment, I don't find new winners. I mean, that's a big mistake from me. Often I saw a winner, but I thought, it's the biggest trash, like the Woody hoodie. And I didn't put it in the sheet, and I never tested it.
So for the current product you have, did you think that it's a good product before we selected it, or no?
For real, I would buy it. But every friend I shown it, they said, I would buy it. I would buy it. It's wild. They all say they love it, but me personally, I would not buy it.
But did you see this product as having potential before we actually selected it?
Only I saw the potential because I put it in Shop Hunter and saw that the competitor made like 80K in a month.
Like, how does it feel to do it with guidance versus doing it 3 years by yourself?
I mean, I bought in the 3 years like 3 courses for 2K altogether, but there's no one you can ask for specific questions. That's the biggest change. I mean, you have for TikTok Organic now, there are people like Paper who can tell you exactly what you're doing wrong. I mean, at this product, I made videos and Paper told me, oh, change the background. I changed the background and the first video was a new background, like 100K views. And I thought, yo, is it that little detail that makes it? Yeah. In a course or other mentorings, you don't have this personal way you can ask questions and 24/7.
Yeah, I think it's a very big misconception where people think they can just like, I don't know, like watch YouTube videos or crack their like download some cracked video course or whatever. It's not helpful. Like video information you can all get on YouTube for free. A video course by itself is completely useless without having the option to ask direct questions to experts. And this is what's going on in the program. There's three main components within like the questioning. Number one is this a good product? Number two, is this a good video? Number three, is this good in terms of backend, suppliers, store, everything? And that's it. Like if you have those three things down, it just works. That's just the key.
I think especially at TikTok Organic, it's the important thing that you have the perfect product. So the product made or break it. Only for that, I would pay the amount I paid for the mentoring, for real. If you only would choose the product for me, I mean, yeah.
It becomes worth it pretty quick. What would you say, everything together, how many videos have you actually posted until it started to pop off?
I test a lot of products. I mean, I managed to get all products viral. My first video ever I made with the mentoring, I made like 8 million views on YouTube.
Really?
But I never sold it. Same mistake.
So wait, you didn't make a store there as well?
No.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
How many views did you miss out on in total?
I don't know. But for this product, I only made 10 videos because then also Paper told me, oh, this product is not good. But yeah, probably I made some sales.
What would you estimate? How many videos have you posted? Everything combined?
Yeah, sorry, I forgot the question. Like 500.
500. All right, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Individual, not same videos reposted on different accounts.
Yeah.
This is definitely above average. Like normally it takes a little bit less, but obviously I don't know how we should count this because you did go viral a bunch of times without a store. So I don't know. Did you ever feel like you want to stop or quit because you've posted so many and it just didn't work?
Not really. I mean, I don't want it to be the guy. Yeah. When I was 6 years old, I thought I will make it, but it was always for me easy to say, yo, I will make it until I will do it until I make it. And it's easy to say, but I think after 3.5 years with 20K in loss, I can say that it would be the case even I need 7 years or something. I would do it until I make it.
I like it. So how does it feel now that finally it did work actually?
First 12K in a month, last month. It felt pretty nice. But now it just feel like these are numbers, digital numbers. I don't have it, if I would have the money on my table, probably I would feel more. But now it's like, 40K. Yeah, it's not that much.
Well, I feel you. It's good that you think that way. So I assume you're not spending it yet at all, right?
No. I will probably spend it maybe in 2 years because next year I will invest it all in the company for people making me videos and product research and something. And
yeah, so you want to reinvest all the money into the business, basically. Makes sense. What would you say are the biggest learnings overall over the last couple of months?
Definitely making videos. I mean, if you start making videos, you feel like they are good, but after 5 months, you think, what the fuck? What the fuck did I make? So it's so trash. You definitely learn how to make videos and get feedback on it. That's like one of the most important things. If you are able to make every product viral, you will make money with every product if you make a store.
Correct. So obviously you said you posted 500 videos, which is like a lot. I hear a lot of people who are in the program who get demotivated by them posting like 100, 200 videos and just not seeing results yet. What would you tell these people?
Do it until you make it. If you post in the 6 months, if you post every day 6 videos at least, you will make it. There is no way out. Go in the calls, get feedback, and you will make it for real. Don't cry.
Yeah. I agree definitely. Especially,
I mean, you don't lose money. It's not like you're spending every day $300 on ads or something. You just have to post videos.
That's it.
It's that easy.
How is organic compared to ads for you?
Paid ads compared to TikTok organic. Paid ads, you have like 4K, and if you spend it and don't make it, you have to make a pause or quit it, because otherwise you can't make money. And with TikTok organic, you have to only post videos, and at some point you will make money. I mean, you can make the trashiest videos, and if you get feedback and get better and better and have good product, you will even make with 10K views so much money.
This is something which is just not possible with Facebook. And what I also saw is with Facebook, for example, people who really want to go hard, they can't. You cannot test more products than your budget allows. You cannot test more products than your Facebook, like the amount of Facebook accounts you have allow. You cannot test more products than you can. And with organic, the more time you put in, the quicker you're going to make it. So that's just that. And on average, how many videos have you posted per day, and how many hours have you put in to dropshipping per day?
4 to 5 hours at the beginning, but now I make it full time and probably 10 hours a day. I'm sitting here because I do the customer support too. And it's now Q4 and it was Christmas. And for real, sometimes I think people are stupid. I'm sitting here and I saw this one. He bought it like 20 minutes ago on the 23rd and asking me, yo, is it at Christmas there? And I think, what the fuck? I'm not Amazon.
Yeah. Well, first of all, you shouldn't do customer support anymore. I'm going to send you an EA who can do it for you. Like, it's not a high-paying activity. Like you said, you were doing it part-time and now full-time. So did you quit your job, or how? Like, what changed?
To be honest, I quit the job when I was making like 1K in a month. But because I was just working part-time, because I told my parents I will make it at the end of the year. And then this is my job. And I was believing in it so hard that I quit it at 1K. And then I was making it full time and scaling it up.
Yeah. So how did they react when you quit the job and now when you started making money?
I told them 2 days ago, and my father was saying, yeah, it's all right, but you have to make it in long term. It's now 1 month where I make much money. I have to prove them that it's consistent.
Agreed. So did you tell them that you quit the job?
Yeah.
Were they okay with that?
I mean, they were not happy, but I told them if I don't make it this year, I will make an Ausbildung next year.
So now, like, what are the goals from here on?
I mean, I have very big goals since like 4 years. I didn't achieve them in the last 3 years, but now I think it's possible to make it. The goal is for the next 3 months to find 2 other winners, so I have cash flow, and then get people working for me, making videos, and scale it up with them. So at the end of the year, the big goal is to make 100K after taxes and all. Yeah.
In the next full year?
Yeah, at the end, in the last month. I mean, not every month next year, obviously, but like in Q4, 1 month.
Okay, great. Did you have these goals already from the get-go, or how did you envision when you started dropshipping? How did you envision things going? What do you think?
I really thought, I will start and printing money. Like, I don't know. I was watching this guy called Hayden Boards, and he was sitting there with his 3 friends and was making millions, and life was great, driving a Bugatti and driving a Lamborghini. And I thought, I will make it in 6 months, like 100K after taxes and living life.
So when did reality hit? When did you understand that it's not going to happen that easy?
I think after the first month, where I spent like 4K on ads and didn't make 1 sale.
Damn. Walk me through that. Like all this lost money. Did you have winning products which just died down and you lost the money again from testing the next ones, or what happened?
I don't think I have any winners there, but it was the same mistake like now. I saw winners and I thought, who the fuck will buy this? For example, this octopus that's on the one side happy and on the other side sad, and everybody has it. Everybody. And I thought, what the fuck? I will never sell it. Even when much people were selling it, I thought, no, that will nobody buy this shit. And I think that was the biggest problem I had over the 3 years.
Yeah, so just putting in your personal opinion first. So thinking, all right, I would not buy this. Let me not just sell this.
Yes.
Do you feel any different now with the money made, or does it feel like you need to first make it work multiple times?
I need to make it multiple times. But the pressure is away from thinking next year I have to find a job and make it part-time.
100%. What would you say was the biggest challenge over the last years?
Finding a winning product.
Any specific problems you faced while within the journey mentally, or actually like real things?
I mean, I never had big issues like with payment processors like PayPal or something. The biggest problem for me was making money because I spent all on ads and never made it. That was the biggest problem.
Well, makes sense. So now, can you ever imagine going back to a regular job?
No, but I never could. In the last years, I never could imagine to make a job. Then I had to make money part time so I can make dropshipping. But I will never do it again. Hopefully, if I'm not losing all the money.
What would you tell like a complete beginner starting out who didn't make it work yet? What's the main advice?
Don't watch YouTube videos. Get a mentor and make it.
Very, very straight to the point plan. How would you describe the program overall, like to somebody who isn't in it at all?
It's perfect how you set up it. I mean, it's a structure where you can't not make it if you do the work. You just have to make videos, go on the calls, get feedback, and you will make money. It's that easy.
I appreciate you saying it exactly like this because it is exactly that way. But still, there are people complaining about a bunch of stuff. And it's something which is really important to have exactly that mentality, what you said. The strategy is proven. There's no doubt at all that it doesn't work. It's like we have enough case studies, enough people making it every single day, new people. Like it's undeniable at this point. The only question is, are you going to be able to post enough videos and also implement the feedback which we give? Because you just posting the videos is not enough if you don't have this feedback loop and constantly ask questions, ask us what is good about the video, what is bad, etc. And the same thing for the product. It's just that if you put in the work, you make money. Don't put in the work, you don't make money. It's that simple.
And you have to say it's not much work you have to put in. It's not like 8 hours a day. You can begin with like 3 hours, make your videos, and if you see you make money, just growing it, just make more.
So yeah, for everybody watching, if this sounds like something which you can actually do, again, the whole program is only going to work if you actually execute. So if you think you're going to be able to do that, you can click the link below, sign up for a call, and we see if it's a good fit. I mean, excited to do one more update interview maybe after you hit the first 100K or like have consistent winners. And yeah, talk to you then.
Yeah, bye.